filling, soothing, and healing chicken soup recipe with macaroni and cream. Stay here on channel 1 and let's make it together. And make it at home too. It's easy. You're watching channel 1 and this is the Pinoy food series. Let's join Romelo at his small kitchen. Welcome back to our small kitchen and special welcome to our friends in Cebu, the Visayan region, especially to our dear Amalia Ka of Thailand, of Chunbri, who requested for this recipe. She did not specify, Amalia did not specify which chicken soup you wanted, but I played safe. I wanted it to be traditional and free in direction. We can bring it towards more watery side or to a more thick and filling side. Either direction, but the same nutritious and soothing chicken soup a la Manila. This is chicken soup a la Manila with macaroni and cream. And voiceover, what do we need for this recipe? Soup chicken, green and red paprika, carrots, garlic and onion, cream in the form of milk, and salt and pepper, plus macaroni. When cooking chicken soup, choose, if you go to the supermarket or to the grocery, ask for the soup chicken. Yes, soup chicken. The soup chicken is different from the 90 or 45 days which we usually buy for adobos or for other recipes. Soup chicken is not boosted. They are allowed to grow naturally and they are more expensive and they are tastier, of course. Look at the native chicken. They taste better because they are not boosted. They grow naturally and they are free to roam, free range chicken. And you can also tell the difference, not just from the taste, but from their smell. They really smell more delicious. As I was shredding the meat, I could smell the difference. If it's not available and you don't have any choice but to use regular chicken, no choice but to enhance the flavor by using chicken cube. And feel free to express yourself, add anything you may fancy except patis. Why? You can, but it's not in the tradition. It's just a reality in life that as you get older, you get more traditional as well. Yeah. One ingredient that our voiceover did not mention is or are your choice of Baguio vegetables. We're just accustomed to using Baguio vegetables. I don't have them, or I don't have any here, so I have to run to the allotment garden. Yes, I have it. Umbok, or Chinese cabbage, the very first harvest. Now we're ready. Soup chicken is much tougher compared to regular chicken. 2 to 3 hours usually is needed to tenderize it. Once it's cold enough to handle, shred it. Himay-himayin. Before we stir fry, I'd like to give you another roundup of our ingredients that we've prepared. Special attention to this, the pinaglagaan or the chicken stock, and to this chicken shreds that we'll be using for this is the main ingredient of our recipe. Let's start. Let's do the stir fry now. Oh, heavenly. They usually add this towards the end, but I'd like to add it now without overcooking it.
I'm not using it all, I'm saving the rest.
The key ingredient is this, green paprika. Paprika and chicken just go well together. Look at the chemistry of our dahon sili with our chicken in the tinola. Very nice. And the shredded chicken, although it's been cut, it's good to stir fry them a bit. I'll be adding the chicken stock now. Oh, the paprika really smells good. Oh. It doesn't harm to add the carrots now. And the parsley and the leeks that I got from the supermarket, they came along with the chicken. They were sold as chicken soup pack. I might as well add the pepper. On the pepper, I'll be adding later here cream or milk. Cream and pepper also go well together. That's a perfect marriage, pepper and cream. I'll add the pasta now. Not much. And once the pasta is about to cook, according to its packaging, we can add the greens, your choice of vegetables. Mine is Chinese cabbage. This cooks very quick. And immediately add your cream. Okay. Evaporated milk, or for my case, I'll be using fresh milk. You should be ready for the veggies now. Let's add the veggies. And now the milk. The addition of milk might make it thinner. I mean,
Less salty.
you might have to add salt later. Our soup is cooked. I'm gonna enjoy it as my midnight merienda. My merienda sa pag-edit. This is our chicken soup with macaroni style vanilla with cream. Oh, it's really soothing. Not just soothing, but rewarding. After the long bike to the garden, this is really rewarding. Thank you, Amalia, for requesting this. Panlasang Pinoy chicken soup a la Manila. You can do it at home, oking merienda, at pagkain ng masa. Thank you for joining me here today, and don't forget to come back for more of our cooking and growing and sharing videos here on Channel 1. If you prefer travel, perhaps My Bari My Mundo is for you. Until next time, your Korean uncle here, Romulo. Again, greetings to Amalia and to all our friends in Cebu and Visayas. Until next time. Go on. Of course, the lamay version is thicker than this. Remember, The key is using the right chicken. It should be soup chicken, not 45 days. I'm beginning to wonder how would this be accepted in Thailand. Imagine milk in the soup, and it's that coconut milk. It's a complete departure from Thai cooking. Imagine milk and macaroni in the soup. Whoever invented tom yum will be turning in his grave.